Hey guys, welcome to Magic Gimmick Tutorials, and in today's video we'll be continuing on the series 101 Cool Magic Tricks with Glenn Singleton. Okay, so I'll flip over the pages. Today we'll be covering rope and ring tricks. So yeah, page 147 I believe. Yeah, right here. Today we'll be covering the trick court. So I won't be demonstrating the trick, I'll just explain it for you guys, because we don't have the equipment. We might get some more equipment in anyways. Apparently this trick is simple, but it doesn't mean it's easy. You'll have to catch the ring on a piece of string, and it takes a lot of time and practice to perfect the technique. Okay, so the first step, make sure your audience is directly in front of you. That is key, so don't see anything else, just what they're meant to see. The rope and the ring, of course. So paragraph 2 I will read. Hold the loop of string downward in one hand, stretching it as wide as possible with your fingers spread. Put the ring beneath the loop of string, then bring the ring up so that the loop of string is inside it. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Position the ring about 2/3 of the way up the loop, and with your fingers above it and your thumb below. So there's a not that much detailed picture here, but this is all you really need to understand it. And yeah, let's go to step 3 over here. Let me just now for the tricky bit, the combination throw and flip you have to perfect. Right? You need to throw the ring hard down towards the floor or the bottom of the loop of string, and then at the same time you need to flip the ring so it turns and catches on in a knot at the bottom of the loop. So kind of like you're kind of flicking it downwards and then quickly upwards. So step 4, once the ring is secured in the knot, hold it up to wild applause from your audience. Okay, yeah, that's really all you needed to know. The 5th paragraph is just, you know, about how it would look, and you know, your friends will love it and stuff like that. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. Next video is going to be the last video of the series, unfortunately, but we have more tricks to cover in other books, and yeah, stay tuned for other series. Peace.